Hello, my name is Yuki. I am 15 years old. I am from Japan. I live in Tokyo. I like reading books. Nice to meet you.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English with Stephanie. Today, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves in English. A self-introduction is a simple way to tell people who you are. We use self-introductions when we meet new friends, classmates, teachers, coworkers, or other people for the first time. Learning how to introduce yourself is very important because it helps you start conversations and make new friends. Don't worry if your English is still beginner level. Just listen carefully, speak slowly, and practice with me. Ready? Let's begin. When introducing yourself, you can share some simple information about yourself. A basic self-introduction usually includes your greeting, your name, your age, optional, where you are from, where you live, your hobbies or interests. Pay attention to the following example.
Hello, my name is Yuki. I am 15 years old. I am from Japan. I live in Tokyo. I like reading books. Nice to meet you.
That is a simple and natural self-introduction. Let's learn each part, step by step. A self-introduction usually starts with a greeting. Some common greetings are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Listen carefully. Hello. Now repeat after me. Hello. Excellent. After greeting someone, tell them your name. You can say, "My name is Yuki," or "I'm Yuki." Listen carefully. My name is Yuki. Now repeat after me. My name is Yuki. Great job! Sometimes you may want to tell people your age. This is optional. You do not always need to tell people your age when introducing yourself. You can say, "I am 15 years old." Listen carefully. I am 15 years old. Now repeat after me. I am 15 years old. Excellent. Here are some more examples. I am 12 years old. I am 16 years old. I am 18 years old. Wonderful! Next, tell people where you are from. You can say, "I am from Japan." Listen carefully. I am from Japan. Now repeat after me. I am from Japan. Very good. You can also tell people where you live. Examples. I live in Tokyo. I live in Osaka. I live in Kyoto. I live in Yokohama. Listen carefully. I live in Tokyo. Now repeat after me. I live in Tokyo. Excellent! Next, you can tell about your hobbies. A hobby is something you enjoy doing. You can say, I like reading books. I like music. I like playing games. I like football. I like drawing. Listen carefully. I like reading books. Now repeat after me. I like reading books. Amazing! When meeting someone for the first time, it is polite to say, nice to meet you. Listen carefully. Nice to meet you. Now repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Very good! Let's review some useful expressions. My name is. Example. My name is Sakura. I am 15 years old. Example. I am 15 years old. I am from. Example. I am from Japan. I live in. Example. I live in Yokohama. I like. Example. I like music. Nice to meet you. Example. Nice to meet you, Ken. Excellent.
Hello, my name is Yuki. I am 15 years old. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Ken. I am 16 years old. Nice to meet you too.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Sakura.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Yuki. I am 15 years old. I am from Japan. I live in Tokyo. I like reading books. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now, let's watch the complete self-introduction.
Hello, my name is Yuki. I am 15 years old. I am from Japan. I live in Tokyo. I like reading books. Nice to meet you.
Now, please try to introduce yourself like the example. Wonderful. Please answer some simple questions. What do you say to tell people your name? That's right. My name is. What do you say to tell people your age? Correct. I am blah 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 years old. What do you say to tell people where you are from? Excellent. I am from. What do you say to tell people where you live? Very good. I live in. What do you say to talk about your hobby? Wonderful. I like. What do you say when meeting someone for the first time? Great. Nice to meet you.
Today, we learned how to introduce ourselves in English. We practiced greetings, saying your name, saying your age, optional, saying where you are from, saying where you live, telling your hobbies, saying nice to meet you. Great job today. Remember, Practicing a little every day can help improve your English step by step. Keep listening, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Thank you for learning English with Easy English with Stephanie channel today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.